and welcome back to Beauty Desk Tuesdays. Here's what we have coming up for you today. If your skin is craving a deep, nourishing facial, then the Nesco Repair Kit has absolutely everything you need for your skin to feel hydrated, replenished, depuffed. It also tackles fine lines. So what you get in the kit, first of all, is the face mask, the famous 24 karat gold face masks. Now this one is specifically great for those who want to tackle those fine lines. You might have actually seen their products on social media. Loads of celebrities love their stuff, and I think it also appeared on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So in the kit you also get the eye mask, and then in addition to that you get the plumping lip mask. Now with all of that, you apply them after one another to the skin, or you can do it on separate occasions. But the cherry on top of the skincare cake is the Jade Roller that comes in the kit. Now they encourage you to use this on top of your mask. So if you're familiar with the motions, you always want to go upwards, to beat the gravity that's making that face sort of drop. You go upwards, you use the smaller side around the eyes, and you don't go back and forth, you kind of sweep up constantly. You also use it on your neck, under the chin, always up, on the forehead like this. And they encourage you to also keep this in the fridge because it provides a cooling sensation and it helps decongest, depuff the skin. Now the masks themselves are also kind of been infused with Rika energy. So it kind of makes you really want to relax and unwind. If you know your chakras, then you probably know what that means. It sort of just kind of makes you forget about the rest of the world and really enjoy the treatment itself. Now the face mask, you apply it for 20 to 40 minutes. It comes in two parts. First you do the upper half of the face and then the lower. With the eyes and the lips, you only hold them for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending. Now if you feel like the mask or any other mask are starting to slip off, what you can do is you can remove and then place them back into their containers so they can soak up a little bit more of the serums, and then you apply them again for whatever time you need. Now gold is also associated with happiness and positivity, which is what we all need right now during these really difficult times. So this is an amazing treatment just to give your skin that extra love. It will feel a lot firmer, it will feel rejuvenated, it will be lifted, and you yourself will feel lifted at the end of it. If you're a fan of a rose fragrance but you're looking for something a little different, then we have the Tom Ford Rose Prick. Now this is his newest scent and it is inspired by his own rose garden. It contains rose de mai as well as the Bulgaria rose and the Turkish rose. Now what makes it different is that it's got that warmth and depth that comes from the Szechuan pepper and the turmeric. As well as that, you've got the tonka bean and then you've got some patchouli, which add again that depth and that heat. So although it's like a rose fragrance, it's not a very feminine floral rose. It's a very kind of a little bit more sensual, maybe quite nice for the evening, but it's not overpowering. So it's a really nice scent to introduce. Even if you're not a huge fan of rose, this is still a nice one to introduce into your fragrance collection. After 25 years, Lancome has reimagined its L'Absolu Rouge lipstick collection. So now it comes in all new packaging and you've got 3 new textures, which is matte, sheer and cream. So the way you actually open them up is that you press the flower at the top and it pops out, and then you've got your colors. So we have here 2 shades, both matte. One of them is 78 Wild Thoughts, which is like this orangey coral hue. There you go. And then this one is 197 Rouge Cherry, which is like a slightly darker, more berry red color. Now, although they're matte, they don't feel dry. They have quite a smooth, creamy texture, and they are also long wear. The final one for the day is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm that comes in a limited color Cognac Candy. Now it's got a jelly powder texture. So what Rihanna wanted to do is to create a product that gives you the shimmer, but it's not glittery. It's not gonna make you sparkle like too much. I mean, you're still gonna get quite a lot of sparkle from it, but it's not gonna be overly intense. And you can use it on your cheekbones, but you can also use it all over your body. So on the collarbone or anywhere else you wanna add a little bit of shimmer. So if we try it here on the cheek. It just adds a little bit of shine without it feeling too much. So you can see it kind of shimmering a little bit there. And if you try it on your palm, for example, even better actually. Go with your finger, there you can see it there. It looks like it could be quite a strong color, but it's not at all. So when you apply it, it just gives you that bronzy shimmer.